Welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss selecting the most relevant databases for your research and how to search them together so you can work faster and more efficiently. First, let's begin on the library homepage. Next, scroll down to the link for the database list located directly below Library Search. Once you find your way to the database list, scroll down to Medline and click on the link. If you're off campus, you'll be prompted to log in and authenticate as a Simmons user at this step. Your username and password is the same as your Simmons Gmail account. You'll be brought to the Advanced Search screen after clicking on the link for Medline and logging in. At the very top of the Advanced Search screen, you will see a link for Searching Medline. When you click on this link, a new box will appear. Here you can select a variety of databases to add to your search. You may not need all of them, but you can familiarize yourself with the kind of information each database covers by exploring them. Academic Search Ultimate is a multidisciplinary database that covers a variety of health and natural science topics. CINAHL is a nursing database that can be used by any health practitioner. Business Source Premier is helpful for business plans or researching team dynamics of health practitioners. ERIC database, Education Resource Information Center, can be an excellent resource for topics on patient or public health education or the education of health practitioners. SocIndex is an excellent resource for topics on health equity or social determinants of health. APA PsycInfo is an excellent resource for topics on behavioral health. There are several more databases that may be helpful, so feel free to explore. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Select. Now you're ready to begin your search. In my next video, I will discuss how to select the best keywords for your search.